Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a profitable niche and opening 1-2 affiliate accounts. This gives you links to promote immediately. Once done, set up your Telegram channel name, logo, and a concise bio so people know what to expect. Make a pinned welcome message that explains rules, posting cadence, and how links work. Also prepare basic tracking, UTM or shortener, so you can see clicks. Do this now, and you'll have assets ready to publish your first posts within hours. Next, build the middle of the system, content and funnels. You should mix reviews, short tutorials, and comparisons that push viewers to a clear call to action. This helps convert casual readers into buyers. For assets, source vendor creatives, user-generated content, and short blog excerpts, and resize for Telegram. Make a simple funnel, an engaging post that leads to a tracked link and a streamlined landing page or checkout. Also schedule posts and test different CTAs so you can optimize conversion rates over time. Finally, scale and measure. You should keep tracking CTR, conversion rate, revenue per post, and cost per acquisition. Those metrics tell you where to invest. Once you see consistent ROI, expand with collaborations, targeted promos, or small paid campaigns. If results drop, troubleshoot immediately. Check that tracking links are correct, refresh creatives, vary posting times, and review offer relevance. Make sure to test one change at a time so you know what moved the needle. This prevents wasted spend and speeds up growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.